Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen cheese. Start by preparing your favorite instant ramen noodles as usual. Once cooked, drain almost all the water, leaving just a small amount, about 2 tablespoons, in the pot. This little bit of liquid is crucial for creating that creamy, cheesy sauce. Now, add the ramen seasoning packet directly to the noodles and stir everything together thoroughly. This ensures a flavorful base for our delicious ramen cheese. Now for the star ingredient. Add 1 slice of American cheese directly into the hot noodles. It's important to stir continuously and vigorously. The heat from the noodles will quickly melt the cheese, transforming it into a wonderfully smooth and creamy sauce. Keep stirring until there are no lumps and the cheese is fully incorporated, coating every strand of ramen. To take your ramen cheese to the next level, consider adding a few optional enhancements. A small pat of butter, about half a tablespoon, can add an extra layer of richness and flavor. For an even creamier texture, a dash of milk, around 1 tablespoon, works wonders. Finally, garnish with a perfectly fried egg or some fresh chopped green onions for a delightful finish. Your delicious ramen cheese is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's still warm and the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. This simple yet incredibly satisfying dish offers a unique blend of savory ramen flavors with the comforting richness of creamy cheese. It's a quick and easy meal that's perfect for any time you crave something comforting and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.